Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up two-factor authentication on Crypto.com. First, open your Crypto.com app and navigate to the Security section. From there, select Two-Factor Authentication to initiate the setup. It is important to have the Google Authenticator app already installed on your mobile device, as you will need it for the next steps. This initial step is crucial for enhancing your account's security. Next, within the Crypto.com app, tap on Enable Two-Factor Authentication. You will then be presented with a secret key or a QR code. Open your Google Authenticator app and choose to add a new account. You can either scan the QR code directly or manually enter the secret key provided. This action links your Crypto.com account to your Authenticator, generating time-sensitive codes. After adding the account in Google Authenticator, a 6-digit code will appear. Quickly switch back to the Crypto.com app and enter this code into the designated field. Confirm the code to finalize the linking process. This step verifies that your Authenticator is correctly synchronized with your Crypto.com account, adding a robust second layer of protection against unauthorized access. Finally, remember some essential security tips. Always back up your secret key in a very secure, offline location right after setup. This key is vital for recovery. Never share your 6-digit authentication codes with anyone, as they are for your eyes only. If you ever lose your mobile device, your backup key will be indispensable for regaining access to your Crypto.com account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.